When you sell something online, most of your sales may come from social media traffic, but the algorithm isn't always reliable. With emails, you have your own little crew opening your emails every single week, and you know they see them. Today, we're diving into the best email marketing strategies for e-commerce sellers. Whether you use Shopify or any other platform, I'm going to show you how to send professional emails for your business using Omnisend. Let's get started. So first, what is Omnisend? Omnisend is an email and SMS marketing platform built for e-commerce brands. It connects with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and gives you the tools to build your list, automate emails, send campaigns, segment your audience, and track the sales your marketing is generating. Omnisend also includes SMS and web push notifications in the same platform, plus AI features to help with copy, segmentation, and send times. Now, what I like about it is that it is clearly built for stores. It is not a simple email marketing platform that is also trying to do e-commerce. It is built for that because it actually focuses on the tools and on the things that e-commerce sellers need, such as welcome emails and flows, abandoned cart flows, forms and pop-ups, campaigns, segmentation, and clear reporting so you can see where your sales are coming from and what you need to do more of. So if you sell on Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other platform, this is a setup that you truly need, and you don't need to ignore email marketing when it comes to e-commerce sales. So we're going to go through all the types of emails that you need to do as an e-commerce business owner, and I'm going to show you how to create them with Omnisend. Let's go. So one of the biggest mistakes that store owners do is sending one random email a month to their audience, to their email list, and hope that they will get sales from those. Now, while it is important to offer coupon codes and welcome emails, it is also important to have a consistent email marketing strategy if you want emails to actually bring you sales. So as I was saying, the algorithm on social media can sometimes recommend your content, can sometimes not, but the way that you keep your clients close to your brand is through sending emails every single week. Now, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind when sending these emails so you don't overwhelm your audience and make them unsubscribe, and these are the tips that I will share next. Some emails nurture first-time buyers. Some recover lost sales. Some of them build trust. And some of them keep people connected to your brand through time. This is how email marketing becomes a sales channel instead of a to-do list for you. And now let's go through the email. So the first email that you want to create with Omnisend is a welcome email with a discount code. So on your website, you're going to have a pop-up or just a form that says sign up to our email list for 10% off your first order. So this is meant to attract new buyers into your store because you're offering this discount code to new buyers only. You can make it 20%, you can make it 30%, whatever it is that will help you get those first buyers in, because after that we will develop a strategy to keep them coming with emails. So this is exactly what we're going to try to set up right now using Omnisend. So you log into Omnisend. I'm going to do everything step by step with you. So you can click start free with the link below if you haven't started yet. If you have an account, just click login, obviously. So I already have my account. I'm going to log in. And then the first thing that you want to do with Omnisend is obviously connect your store. So if you haven't connected your store yet, it takes a few minutes and it is really easy to do. I'm going to connect my WooCommerce store because I have that already. And you need to download the Omnisend plugin as you saw. With Shopify, I think it is an app, so it is easier, but it just depends on what you need. So I'm going to my website right now, and I'm going to install the plugin. We go to plugins and add plugin, and we're uploading the Omnisend plugin. You activate it, and then you click settings for Omnisend for WooCommerce. You can create a new account or connect your account. So I'm going to click connect and I'm going to approve. Oh, it is already connected. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so we have the connected store. So we have domains, email addresses. You can click in to add a domain to send emails from your brand. So you have email sending domain and link domain, and you can click email sending domain. Select your domain provider, other, and then you need to add DNS records to verify your domain. And this will help you send emails from your brand domain, because this is also a really important step that you don't want to miss. But you can do that, and then I'm going to show you how to actually create the campaigns, the automation, the forms, and everything else. So we're going to go ahead and launch a form for 20% off for first-time buyers. So for example, here it says get 10% off your first order. We're going to make it 20 just because we're feeling generous, and be the first to hear about new product drops. Obviously, what you need to do inside Omnisend is brand everything, the colors, the fonts, everything needs to match your brand. And if you like this form to be a little bit better, you can add a photo to it as well. So let's add a column right here, or you can add an image directly above and select a file, for example. So this should contain your products, obviously. For example, your chocolate brand, okay? You can add a beautiful photo, get 20% your first order, change the color of the button, and then people can enter their email and you can save and close and enable the form. So this is a pop-up. And then what you want to do is go to automation. So we enable the form. You have audience management, scheduling, display, targeting, visibility, frequency, A/B testing, and more. Now from automation, you can explore templates, and you have welcome, for example, and you edit that workflow, and it says subscribe to marketing, or you can add subscribe to marketing. Okay, so when they subscribe to the form that we just did, they will receive this email. So wait a minute, and then we have the welcome to, and here's a 20% off code. Sender's name, you can modify that with your brand's name, add your logo, and we need to edit the content of the email. So what will your welcome email contain? You add your logo here, welcome, 20% off, and here you enter your discount code that you create from your website. So inside Shopify, inside WooCommerce, you can go to coupon codes and make sure to let people, only first-time clients, use it and use it only once. And it is a code that never expires. So, or you can make it expire, it's up to you. And then you modify everything about this template. It is really easy to use, really beginner friendly, and then you finish editing. Once you do, whenever somebody joins your email list through that form, so subscribes to marketing, or you can also use segmentation. So whenever somebody subscribes to marketing, they will receive this welcome email first, and any other emails that you add to this workflow. So if you want to add more emails to this workflow, an SMS, a push notification, you can add it really easily here. And you can even tag a contact if you want. And for example, let's say you added this welcome email, and then what you can do is add a delay. So for example, we will wait for 3 days, and then we will send another email about a new collection that just dropped, or about how to style our jewelry, for example, for a jewelry brand. Then you can create an entire workflow of 10 emails, for example, for new subscribers to be nurtured until they make another purchase, for example, or if they haven't made a purchase, so they make a purchase. So again, you can add another delay and another email, an SMS, depends on what you need from your customers. And you edit these really easily. You edit the content, add templates, and create a beautiful workflow. The second must-have email is an abandoned cart email. And this one is non-negotiable because you can't really understand how many times people came back to abandoned carts and purchased everything in there. And what you can do to get them to do this, because most brands do this, like you left something in your cart, go back, finish your order. Okay, but what will I get if I finish my order? So what I suggest you do is offer even a 5% extra discount for them to finish their order. So this is something that you can do inside Omnisend as well. And then this is another automation that needs to happen. So create workflow, and you have abandoned cart and customize workflow. So with the abandoned cart one, it says that customers enter the workflow when they add an item to cart. So this workflow is for people that add items to their cart but don't make a purchase and don't start their checkout. So everything's already set up for you. All you need to do is customize the emails. Then You wait for 11 hours, your card misses you. And of course, again, in these emails that I just said, you can edit the content of the email and you can say something. So for example, add a text and you can say something like, use code buy now for 5% off. And then you can add something like a timer or something to make them understand that this is not going to be here forever. You can have the discount code here. The abandoned products are here. So this will be the information in their cart. So this is customized for the shop, which is amazing. You have a bunch of templates here that you can use for hero, for footer, images that you can add, products, recently viewed, similar to past purchases. So a lot of dynamic elements that you can add and to help them to get back to their order and check out. Another things are the form and pop-ups that I showed you how to create. So you can easily create a form to add anywhere on your website or a pop-up form as well to just pop up on your website as somebody is clicking on your website. So this is something super easy to create as well from Omnisend. So again, you just go to forms and here you create a new form and you click type pop-up and you see a bunch of pop-up options that you have for your website. Be the first to know, spin to win, you've unlocked 15% off. So what I suggest for your e-commerce website is that you have a form that is static on your homepage, any page on your site, in the footer, for example. And another thing is a pop-up that shows when somebody comes on your website for the first time, because they don't always scroll to the bottom and it is easier to do with a pop-up. So you can customize these really easily from here in Omnisend. Another thing that I like about Omnisend is that it is not just for email. You can use it for SMS marketing and push notifications as well. This matters because not everybody responds the same way. So some people react more to emails, some to SMS messages, some to push notifications. So it is important to have all of them and to collect all of these so you can do the marketing right for your business. So from campaigns and campaign type, you can choose your campaign type. So you have email A/B testing. So you send two different versions of a single email to see which one comes out on top. You can send an SMS or MMS campaign and push notifications. So you need to connect your dedicated app so you can do that. You can click create SMS and then you have all of the details here that you can use with Omnisend. And for push notifications, you click on connect app, collect push channel subscribers, and this is how you will be able to connect everything and add this to the root folder of your website and connect to create push notifications. Now, another thing that I want to talk about is Omnisend AI, because this helps you write copy when you're out of ideas, segment subscribers, and more. So when you go to create an email campaign, for example, you can choose a subject line and then click on Omnisend AI. What would you like to modify the subject line? Change tone to happy. Get ready to celebrate. Join the winter fun. And it gives you the ideas for the subject line and pre-header and more. Use AI, for example, and I'm choosing something, and there you go. For the campaign name, you have the optional name for internal use, and it is so easy. So I choose I'm going to write my name, and you can see exactly how it will look inside the inbox. You choose the email template. So I'm going to choose this one, for example. And for the text inside the actual email, you can use AI as well. So you can translate, you can shorten, you can rephrase or simplify. Let's choose rephrase. Beautiful. And then let's do shorten. So you have Omnisend AI giving you some help when you're out of ideas for writing copy for your emails. You don't need to use another platform because it is all inside Omnisend. Now, another thing that Omnisend offers that is super important are sales report from campaigns and automations. So inside Omnisend, you can actually see how your emails are performing. So exactly how many sales they brought in, the abandoned cart emails, every single email that you used. So From the dashboard and goals, here's where you can set your brand style and set your goals. You can see an overview of revenue, orders, last 30 days, weekly, quarterly, yearly. You see the campaigns, so the money that the campaigns brought you, the automation, how many orders you got because of Omnisend, and then the total store revenue. And here's where you'll be able to see everything that you need to do, from subscribed, unsubscribed, total subscribers, SMS, and push. So all the analytics, everything that you need to see is inside here. And this will help you determine which types of emails you need to keep creating more of, so you can have a successful email marketing strategy. What is also super important for you to know is that weekly campaigns matter too. So after you create your automations, after you create your email workflows for welcome emails, for different campaigns that you might have, new collections and everything else, make sure that you have weekly emails that you send out just as you post social media content to offer value, to entertain, to help people learn how to use your product. Just keep them close to you and don't try to push sales in every single email. Obviously include your product there. People know that you're a brand and they expect to see your product, but don't be like, buy this now. Don't create sales every single week. Try to stay true to your brand and create emails that actually nurture your audience and gives them value. So if you own an e-commerce brand, email marketing should not be an afterthought. It should be an immediate strategy that you implement as you start your brand. And all the best emails that you could create are inside Omnisend. So if you want to check it out, I will leave the link in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you own an e-commerce brand, what email marketing platform do you use, and if you're willing to try Omnisend to create these beautiful emails for your store. If this video helped you out, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!